Hi, we're going to look at how to install statcounter into your Wix website. From your site dashboard, at the bottom of the left menu, click Settings, and then scroll to the end of the page and click Custom Code. And at the top where it says Head, click Add Code. And now we're going to go to statcounter and get that tracking code. On the lower left-hand side, click the gear icon where it says Project Config, and then click the third link that says Reinstall Code. If you do not get this page that says Wix Premium Detected, that's fine. Click where it says 70 popular platforms, and then scroll down and click Wix Premium. Now we're going to click the button Copy to Clipboard to get that code. And then we're going to go back to Wix, paste the code in the box at the top. And right here it says Add Code to Pages, All Pages. That's what we want. But click this drop down and change it from Load Code Once to Load Code on each new page. And then click Apply, and you're done. Please let us know if you ever need anything, and thank you for using StatCounter.